Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very powerful hair growth treatment that you can use overnight to boost your hair growth. So to make this treatment, we're going to be using some carrots, and I'll just go ahead and chop them into smaller pieces. So carrots contain a lot of healthy vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, magnesium, phosphorus, and beta-carotene, which helps to prevent hair loss. And carrots also decrease hair dryness by increasing the sebum production. So by doing so, it's going to help with dryness of the scalp, itchiness of the scalp, and all of that. Even dandruff issues will be solved if you continue to do this treatment. Carrots also add thickness to your hair density. Next, I'm going to place the carrots in a blender cup and then add some water. You just want to add a little bit of water, not much. And I'll go ahead and blend the carrots until I reach my desired consistency or until it's smooth enough. Then I'll continue to the next step. So I just go ahead and shake and then I'll blend it up. When I'm done blending, I'll go ahead and strain out the juice from the carrots, and I'm using these stockings. You can use a cheesecloth, a muslin cloth, or whatever you have to strain this mixture, because you do not want those particles in your hair. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing. I'll go ahead and just squeeze. And so yeah, if you do not have a blender, you can always just grate the carrots and then you squeeze the juice out of it directly. Then you will not need to add any water. So yeah, I'll go ahead and pour the mixture or the juice into my applicator bottle, and I'll follow up by adding some glycerin. So glycerin is a humectant. It helps to draw moisture from the environment into your hair, so it helps keeps your hair moisturized. So yeah, I'm just going to add that and top it up again with the juice just to make sure the bottle is filled. And I'll just go ahead and close it, and it's ready to be applied on my hair. So you want to just shake it up and then so that the glycerin can mix well, and I'll go ahead and apply it on my hair and scalp. So you want to continue to apply to your hair and scalp, and you massage it in. So yeah, I'm doing this at night because this is an overnight hair growth treatment or hair growth spray. So we want to do this overnight, and I do this and I cover my hair. I have low porosity hair, so whatever I add to my hair, I always try to steam it. So after applying and massaging my scalp, I'll go ahead and steam my hair for about 30 minutes and go to bed and rinse it off the next day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.